Thank you so much. Just a yes or no. Do you think BNI is a good thing to check out? Or
Oh, right, BNI. Okay, so this is, let's just take this as a separate question. Networking groups, business networking groups, are they a good thing? I don't know. Generally, I haven't heard rave reviews about them. I wouldn't go. I'm not interested. Now, for you, because you're local, possibly, but it really depends who your ideal client is. Here's what I would do. I would do as much work as you can to clarify your ideal client, and I would reach out to the BNI representative and say, here's who I'm trying to reach. Will your group help me reach these people? If so, I'm open. I'll hang out with some suits. Sure, no problem. But if not, then I won't. The bigger question, if we step back from these business networking groups, is this. Yeah, are my people there? Is this a good hub? The hub marketing is the broader perspective of just where do my people go? What's the best way to reach them? And I find the business networking groups not that solid usually, but sometimes yes. And it's the difference. But also, this is the other consideration to have for everybody. If you're thinking about going to a networking meeting, do not go to a networking meeting, any networking meeting, looking for clients. Drop that. Forget about that as a whole agenda of it. The reason we go to a networking event is to look for hubs. Yeah, that's a much better use of the time. So it's we think, okay, let's just say I want to reach restaurants or life coaches. That's who I'm trying to reach. I'm going to do videos for life coaches. Well, if there's an event where the people who host gatherings for life coaches and who themselves are like business coaches for life coaches, etc., oh, they're all going to be there. That's a better thing. Better to go somewhere, build a relationship with a few hubs who then give you clients, than go try to shake hands and get everybody to sign up with you. Yeah. Thank you for asking. It's a question I know a lot of people have.
thanks a lot, Todd. Thanks everyone.
Hey.